folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. I have a little Scout to show you today. These are the little guys we just make from scrap wood when we have time. They're soprano scale instruments. This one has got a beautiful curly maple back and sides, curly maple binding, and a little crazy Orford cedar top. It's got a hemlock neck, and then this is wenge for everything else. So yeah, and everything is stained dark. Every once in a while I like to do that. It's just a simple, I use like layers of leatherworking dye. It's an alcohol-based stain to get the look that I like. Kind of looks old-fashioned. Yeah, this has got these little Orford geared tuners. It's got a bone nut and saddle. It's got strap buttons, soprano scale, ready for fun. And it's going out to our waiting list today for this. Have a good one.